Well, we begin this edition with the latest on US-Venezuela tensions. It's the US forces that are chasing another oil tanker, and that is in the Caribbean Sea. The active pursuit reportedly began after US Coast Guard tried to intercept the tanker, but the ship did not submit to being boarded and continued sailing. The Trump administration has ramped up its pressure campaign targeting Venezuela's vital oil sector. The Coast Guard had successfully boarded another tanker earlier on Saturday, while another oil tanker that was seized on December 10th is now at a port in Texas. In fact, according to reports, the tanker called the Bella 1 was en route to pick up oil in Venezuela and was not carrying cargo. The tanker has been under US sanctions since last year for transporting Iranian oil. Earlier on Saturday, the US Coast Guard seized the Centuries, which is a Chinese-owned and Panama-flagged tanker, saying that the ship was loaded with 1.8 million barrels of crude oil at a Venezuelan port earlier this month. However, the tanker did not appear on the US Treasury Department's list of sanctioned companies and individuals. Parallelly, Venezuela has dispatched the Canopus Voyager oil tanker to Texas under its existing agreement with Chevron. Also, Vice President Delcy Rodriguez shared footage of the ship departing for the US on social media. It was President Trump who announced on 16th of December a blockade of sanctioned oil vessels sailing to and from Venezuela as he demanded the return of allegedly stolen US assets in the oil-rich South American country. He's also deployed a large Navy Armada in the Caribbean with a stated mission of combating drug trafficking, which Caracas says is a pressure campaign to oust President Nicolas Maduro. Notably, the US military since September has conducted a series of airstrikes on alleged drug trafficking boats in the Caribbean Sea and Eastern Pacific Ocean, with critics having questioned the legality of the attacks that have killed more than 100 people so far.